Good morning and welcome to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. Today is day 0. It's going to be kind of a housekeeping and setup day where I'll talk to you a little bit about the challenge. My name is Amy Stack and I'm from the Western Chicago suburbs. I'm a marketing coordinator at Keller Williams Premier Properties and have a background in retail, real estate, restaurants, event planning, direct sales, fashion design, theater, and of course, marketing and social media. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, start now by subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. To do that, when you're on my YouTube channel, just hit this red button here and you'll see the bell pop up. So go ahead and give that a click, and you can hit all or you can select what type of notifications you want. By going ahead and hitting all, you will receive an email notification every time a new video is available. I bet you're wondering what is 66-Day Challenge. It's 66 days of short and sweet training videos on how to get started on social media. Maybe you're wondering why 66 days? Well, it actually takes human beings 66 days to create a new habit. With this challenge, I want to not only teach you the basics of setting up your social accounts, yet get you off on the right foot by getting you into good habits right away. If you would like to learn more about this type of challenge and how a series of small, purposeful actions completed consistently over time can affect your life in a big way, please check out the One Thing book. I've added a direct link right in the description of this video for you. I chose the topic of get started in social media as my subject for this challenge because as a marketing coordinator, I get asked all the time, how do I get started or how do I set up these social media platforms? The 3 most common platforms I get asked about are Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So those are the 3 I'll be focusing on over the next 66 days. I'm going to show you some step-by-step tutorials on how to set up the accounts, how to optimize them, and connect them to each other, and of course how to share. I'll be sharing social media strategies along the way. Do you want to be updated and make sure you know what's going on in this challenge? Make sure and hit that red subscribe button that I mentioned earlier on the Social Stack channel on YouTube. It's just youtube.com/thesocialstack. And click that bell so you get those email notifications whenever a new video goes live. You can also like us on the Social Stack on Facebook. Right here, it's facebook.com/thesocialstack. I'll also put that link in the description for you. With that platform, you'll be able to get more social media tips and tricks. I look forward to hearing how this challenge is going to change your business. And to start, I'd love it if you'd leave a comment below letting me know which platform you're most excited to learn about, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.